Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can convert a CSV file to import into Xero, so let's get started. To successfully import a CSV file, like a bank statement, you must format it to match Xero's required structure. First, the essential step is to download the official Xero CSV template. You can find this link within the Import a Statement option inside your bank account screen. Once you open the template, you must ensure the header row is not changed, and you only enter data into the required columns, which are typically date, amount, and description. For formatting, all amounts must be in a single column, income must be positive, and expenses must use a minus sign, for example, minus 50 points ZO. Also, confirm your date format is consistent like dd/mim/yi throughout the file, and make sure to delete any extra data, like opening balances or unnecessary headers. Finally, save the modified sheet as a CSV file and use the Import a Statement button in Xero to upload it, where Xero will then prompt you to map the columns before finalizing the data import. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.